Hey, what's up? It's John. First off, thank you so much for becoming a member, downloading the Wireframe Kit, and hopefully your plan is to use it with one of our super themes. So this video will briefly just touch over how to easily and quickly use the Wireframe Kit. And you can see we have all our pre-built sections in these different categories here. A few different heroes, some call to actions, a bunch of general sections, a ton of feature sections, stuff like that. So for example, let's say we go to the features. We'll go to the hero section here first. So here on this page we have all our different heroes that we have. The first ones are for like home page, and then we have a couple interior ones. And so let's say we decide that we kind of like this, this dark one here. We want to use this dark one. A couple ways you can find out which layout that is, because you'll look, once you install a Wireframe Kit, you're going to get all these layouts, and you don't want to click on each one to see what it is. But you see that they're all numbered. So what you can do, a few different ways you can find out. So here we got our interior page. If you see that, there's an image back there, an image icon. We'll inspect this section. Let me go ahead and turn that off there and get that back down. There we go. And so we'll see that it says, now it could be confusing because Divi's going to give it an ETPB section 6 or whatever number it is. But we have here SFly, and that's short for Superfly. SFly Interior Hero 1. And so Interior Hero 1 is what we would be looking for. Another way to do that would be to just go to the hero page. Here we go. And I'll go ahead and open this in a new tab. And if you're looking at the hero page in the visual builder, and just to give you an idea of what that will look like, that hero here, let me go down to my hero section here. There are those two at the bottom, and you can see that one's got like a background image. It's kind of cool. Or they both do. One just has static one, one's got a parallax one. But if you go to the hero in the visual builder here, I go down to that interior that I wanted to use. If I click on the settings here for the section, I can see the admin label, Interior Hero 1, or I can go to the advanced into the class and see Interior Hero number 1. So I'm going to use that, and at this time we're unable to copy. I wish I could just do copy section from this page and run over to my new page and paste, but that feature is not available yet in Divi. Hopefully that will come. So here's my new page I made. It's totally blank right now. I'm going to use the visual builder, and I'm going to start from scratch. So we'll let this guy load up here, and I'm just going to say build from scratch. And let's go add from library. I'm sorry, I need to add a new section. Add from library. And this is on a dev server, a multi-site with a ton of other sites installed on it, on the multi-site. So this will take a little bit to load, but once it does for this page, it'll be golden. On yours, it'll be much faster than this. But I wanted to start with a blank. All right, so interior hero, and there you go. Here's our 1. This one's the module I use to build the demo site, but we want interior hero 1. There we go. So now I can get rid of the Divi default one it gives me. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now let's say now I want a feature. Oh, actually, let me close this guy out. That's fine. Here we go. Now I want a feature. So I'm going to go to my features page here. That one's pretty cool. I mean, I'm starting off with a dark header, so something lighting. Actually, it could be cool to start off with these two guys right off the bat. I'm all about these floating boxes, guys. And that's what I think I'm going to do, actually. So I'm going to start off with these first two. And so I'm actually just going to go open up my feature. And I will turn this on in the visual builder. You know, another fun way though would be just to randomly do it. Like, hey, let's add a new section. What should we use? I don't know. Let's just randomly pick one. Boom. Page building roulette, if you will. All right, so feature, here we go. I'm going to imagine these are probably called feature 1, feature 2. But let's see. Yeah, feature 1. Let's see what the class is. Feature 1, and then this one's going to be feature 2. And they all should be in order. So I want feature 1 and feature 2. So let's go ahead and, and actually, I know I want to be in the features for a while. So I'm just going to do this guy here. We're going to do feature 1. Bam. And then we want feature 2 right after that. Let's scroll down here to feature 2. Boom. And then I actually like this triple paragraph, I like these ones too, though. These ones look really cool on the test on Phoenix. This section looks sweet. But I'm gonna roll with this guy. And so let's see here. That one is feature 6. Down here, right? Feature 6. Scroll down here. Okay. And then now I think I want something about maybe some logos of people that have used it. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the logo section. Throw that in. Logos. Trusted partners. Actually, I want that further down the page. So I'm going to add something between there. I'm just gonna look through here and be like, all right, I want, let's do counter. I think I want counter number 1. Yeah, everyone likes those, right? And then trusted partners. Let's add a blog in. We have a few different blogs to choose from. I like blog number 2 because it's kind of it gets rid of the. That looks good. Trusted partners, and then by default here's my footer, but I can add in a different footer and then hide this one and use one of these. We'll do footer 4 wireframe kit. Great. Let me save this guy, and then I'll just open him up in a new tab. And so there, in a few minutes, I have a pretty nice wireframe that I can send my client. And this is why I like this blog. In the back end, it keeps the, oh, there it goes. No, it has it now. I like this blog because it takes away the card, and it's just more, I think it's a little cleaner. But you have a quick mock-up or wireframe that you can send your client. You know, you can change the text and say, hey, here's what I'm thinking for the home page. You start, or this landing page. Start with this, and then highlight this feature. This will be a picture of your deal. Now it's like a parallax one you can see there. Then we'll have this guy, sell the wireframe to them. They say, yes, we love it. And then, hey, we love Phoenix, or we love one of the other 2 super themes. And then your page is already built because we've already done the work of making sure, that these match the super theme sections. And so then you can just change the font easily once you get into the super theme, that is, or you can change it in the wireframe if you want to do fonts here in the wireframe. So that's how to easily use it. Yeah, and I think that'll do it for this video. In the other videos, I will be going through the different sections and how to use them, and then there is some CSS that we had to use in some sections to make them work well on tablet and mobile. And so that's the cool thing about this is you have I usually don't show clients tablet and mobile wireframes, but you can now. You can say, hey, to get an idea what's going to be on mobile, your site's going to be mobile ready right away. Here's what it's going to do. And so yeah. All right, well, thanks for watching this video on how to use the wireframe kit. Again, we hope that it speeds up your workflow, allows you to crank out more sites, and make more money for your business. All right, y'all, take care.